Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Let's explore vintage cottage decor. Soft, cozy, and full of timeless charm. Stay with me for beautiful inspiration. Here are some tips for vintage inspired cottage decor. Use distressed finishes. Furniture with chipped paint or weathered wood adds authentic vintage charm. You can lightly sand painted furniture to create a soft, aged appearance. Create cozy reading corners. A small reading nook can make the home feel extra charming. Add a vintage chair, soft throw blanket, floral cushion, a small lamp, stacked books. Use vintage-inspired wall decor. Decorate walls with botanical prints, antique clocks, framed floral artwork, vintage signs, decorative mirrors. Gallery walls with mismatched frames look especially beautiful in vintage chic homes. Add wicker and rattan elements. Wicker baskets and rattan furniture bring natural texture into the room while keeping the space relaxed and cottage inspired. Display collections beautifully. Vintage decor often includes carefully displayed collections such as teacups, old books, candlesticks, vintage dishes, crochet items. Arrange them neatly on shelves or cabinets for a curated look. Add soft scented details. Candles and natural scents help complete the cozy atmosphere. Popular cottage inspired scents include lavender, vanilla, rose, cinnamon, fresh linen. Keep the decor light and airy. Avoid overcrowding rooms with too many heavy items. Leave some open space so the room feels peaceful, bright, and comfortable. Use layered bedding. Create a soft romantic bedroom by layering quilts, ruffled pillows, crochet blankets, floral shades, linen truss. Mixing textures make the bed feel cozy and luxurious. Display handmade decor. Handmade items add personality and warmth. Crochet cushion covers, knitted drawers, handmade candles, embroidered linens, DIY floral arrangements. These details make the room feel more personal and authentic. Display handmade decor. Handmade items add personality and warmth. Crochet cushion covers, knitted truss, handmade candles, embroidered linens, DIY floral arrangements. These details make the home feel more personal and authentic. Focus on comfort over perfection. A vintage cottage home should feel lived in and welcoming. Small imperfections, mixed textures, and collected vintage finds give the home its unique charm. Style coffee tables simply. Decorate coffee tables with a few charming items: a small flower vase, stacked vintage books, candles, lace towels, ceramic trays. Keep the styling soft and uncluttered for a cozy cottage feel. Add cottage-inspired dining decor. Make the dining area warm and welcoming. Linen tablecloths, floral centerpieces, vintage plates, wooden chairs, candlesticks. Mixing elegant and rustic elements create a balanced cottage look. Decorate with old glass and ceramics. Vintage glass bottles, ceramic pitchers, and porcelain dishes add timeless beauty. Display them on shelves, cabinets, or countertops. Use light wooden flooring. Natural or weathered wood flooring fits perfectly with vintage chic cottage interiors. Layer small rugs for extra warmth and texture. Decorate small spaces thoughtfully. Even small rooms can feel charming when decorated carefully. Use light colors, add mirrors, choose multifunctional furniture, use vertical shelves, keep decor soft and minimal. Blend rustic and elegant pitches. Fantastic cottage decor looks best when rustic textures and elegant details are combined together. For example, rustic wood with crystal candelabras, simple linen with delicate lace, antique furniture with fresh flowers. Rotate seasonal decor. Change small accessories throughout the year. Spring flowers, summer greenery, autumn pumpkins, winter candles, and knitted drawers. Seasonal touches keep the home feeling fresh and inviting. Create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Fantastic cottage homes are meant to feel peaceful and comforting. Soft textures, warm lighting, natural materials, and personal decorative touches help create that cozy atmosphere. Mix old patina finishes. Don't stick to one finish. Combine aged brush, chipped white paint, weathered wood, soft matte ceramics. This contrast is what creates that authentic vintage charm. Layered lighting at three levels. A cozy cottage look needs multiple light sources. Ceiling light, soft, warm. Table lamps for glow corners. Candles or fairy lights for mood. Avoid harsh white lighting. It destroys the vintage softness. Don't match everything. Fantastic style is not about matching sets. Instead, different chairs around the table, mixed frames on walls, various textures in one room. A collected over time look feels more authentic. Style storage as decor. Even practical items should look beautiful. Wicker baskets for blankets, glass jars for kitchen items, wooden crates for books, vintage tins for small storage. Function plus beauty is perfect for cottage style. faded romance textiles. Look for fabrics that feel gently aged. Washed linen, soft florals, not bright. Faded gingham, cream lace, light embroidery. The key is softness, not boldness. Keep windows light and airy. Let natural light be part of your decor. Sheer curtains, tie-back lace strips, no heavy blackout fabrics in main areas. Cottage charm depends heavily on sunlight. Add a signature cozy corner. Every vintage cottage home should have one favorite spot. Reading chair by a window. Tea corner in the kitchen. A small bench with cushions and flowers. This becomes the emotional heart of your home. Build a story in every room. Instead of just decorating, think in terms of storytelling. A kitchen that feels like an old countryside bakery. A bedroom that feels like a 1920s countryside retreat. A living room that feels like a collected family heirloom space. Use objects that look like they belong to a life, not just a store display. Shaped like a designer. When sourcing vintage pages, look for slight imperfections, small scratches, patina on edges. Natural materials: wood, iron, linen, or ceramic. Unique shapes over brand new perfection. The goal is found over time, not bought at once. Use time layers in decor. Mix items that pull from different eras. Victorian style mirror plus modern linen sofa. Rustic farmhouse table plus delicate porcelain cups. Old books plus new dried floral arrangements. This layered timeline makes the space feel rich and lived in. Frame every view like a painting. Treat windows, doorways, and shelves like frames. Place a vast narrow window to capture light. Hang curtains to softly frame outdoor scenery. Style shelves so items from visual balance. This makes even simple spaces feel intentional. Thanks for watching the video.